to Sourish Tech Savvy. I'm going to be using 5G roaming by JIO in India on a cycle. So let's see how good the usage is. I'm going to be also downloading Asphalt 9 Legends on a cycle. You can see how fast the speeds are. Wow, 2 minutes 45 seconds. That's a lot fast. You can try it on your 4G mobile network, it's gonna be like so slow. And look at this, like 2 minutes for a 2 GB file. Like I wanna try it on my home network and it's gonna be more slower than 2 minutes. Actually, why not? Let's try it. Turns out, I can't wait that much.